Welcome to my vlog! Kung bago ka pa lang sa video, mag-subscribe ka na at pindutin mo bell. For today's video, mag-unbox tayo ng regalo ka!
Galing saan yan?
Sa kay Tito Itio. Ay,
Uy, hindi oh.
kay Tita. Ay, kay Tita Lady. Salamat po. Ingat.
Saan bagat namin? Ako. No. Drop it, drop.
Dapat na mabuksan. Yan.
Sige, bigyan. Try to, ano? Oh, wait. Okay.
Ooh! Meron pang isa. I can't breathe.
Wait now, wait.
This. But one more.
Hmm?
And this.
What's that?
What is this? Bakit mayroong parang box na parang cellphone?
Wait.
Parang may cellphone na box. Hindi mahiwa. Ako na may.
No.
Okay? And this is what? This is this. Can I see it? Here?
What's inside the box? Oh, jewelry! For whom? For whom is that?
What is this?
Read.
I can't read this.
Okay. Oh, next. Oh, another one. Kanino yan? For Wawa or for me?
I don't know.
Ano mo nga, Nay? Dalawang jewelry box yung ano. Ano yung mga walang title kung kanino? Meron din daw ako eh. Alin dyan yung akin?
Where is mine?
Huh?
Ay, puro mga signature.
Hindi, tatawagan na lang natin si Tito later.
Where is
What
mine?
else pa, baby?
Where is mine?
Yan, kay Lolo yan. Baka kay Lolo.
Where of jewelry?
It's me.
Sige nga, be. Try to open that. No. Don't use knife.
Ayan.
What is this?
Ayun, may letters. Ay, wala. Ng letter. Oh, bakat. Let me see.
What's inside?
It's,
Baka sa inyo yan ni ate.
Maliit.
sa akin.
Oh, say thank you. Pakita mo,
Thank
baby.
you. Sa akin na to kasi
What's
may...
that? Earrings?
Yeah. Si ate, wag na kasi may earrings na siya eh.
Hindi. Pag meron si ate dyan, meron si ate.
It's this?
Take a look.
Huh?
Sige nga, open
Lolo.
mo. No, it's not for Lolo. I think the casio is for Lolo.
This? The class... I can't. Ay.
What's that? Ah, baka baka sa akin yan. Relo.
Shame. It's gone.
Oo, kasi last time ganito yung niregalo sa akin eh. Mamaya tawagin natin si Tito.
It's Lolo. Where's Ate? This
Yeah, sige nga, try to open that.
is for Ate. Where's that? Ayun. Kaya natin ko. Basta niya. Kanina ko eh. Ayun. Wala. Can't open it.
No, 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 no. Mommy will be the one to use the knife.
Careful.
What's that?
What is this? A wallet.
Oh, that's for Lolo again. There's some money inside.
Yeah.
How much is the money inside? Oh!
Dollar.
Oh, there's $1 pa.
Kay Lolo. Knocks ni Lolo.
Ay, ano mo, be? I-surprise mo kay Lolo. Bilis. Ibalik mo ng maayos.
Paano?
Magkano yung dollar?
$1. Uy, may
Ayusin mo,
1,000
baby.
pa.
Ayusin mo, be. Ayusin mo. Si Lolo ang winner. Ayusin mo, bebe.
It's, oh.
O, ibalik mo sa loob. Tapos mamaya ipa-open mo kay Lolo.
Ay,
No more?
meron pa. Kaya for
Kay Lolo yata yun, or ate.